Hi friend, this is the rate Ayulmok and today I am with the Honor 9N. So this time in 2018 mid-year we have reached and Honor has produced really good smartphone in the budget category. It includes 7X, 9 Lite, it also includes 7A, 7C, some products like that. Now talking about what is special with 9N, first it comes with the design and display, secondly the camera, and third the best part is the price, because the price it is coming with the starting price of 11,999, which is 12,000 only, where you are getting an octa-core Kirin chipset processor which is 659, and it has a variant where you are getting a 3GB and 4GB RAM. For the storage you will be getting a 32GB, 64GB and 128GB storage, which can also be expandable up to 256 GB. Now talking about the device aesthetic, it comes with a 2.5 D curved glass, so the gripping is very solid. You can definitely grip it. It is not slippery. It also comes with a black cover, and in the back you can see it has a mirror display finish. This is sapphire blue color, something I always like because you stand out in the crowd. Here you are getting a 12 plus 2 megapixel setup with LED flash. There is a fingerprint sensor, which is a good part. They are not skipping it only for passcode or the face unlock. Now talking about the front side, it comes with the 5.84 inch Full HD Plus display, which is 19:9 aspect ratio. Now talking about the notch, it comes with a notch which is very small, and it comes with the front camera, which is a 16 megapixel camera with a 2 micron pixel sensor. We will talk about the camera a little later. Now talking about the device, you will enjoy while playing games and watching movies because the bezels are very less and it is easy to hold. So you are getting a full 5.84 inch display. Now talking about the OS, it runs on Android 8.0 Oreo with EMUI 8.0 on top, which gives you a feature like face unlock, which we will talk about little later. Now talking about the display, definitely you can see it looks pretty much gorgeous, and there is a small chin in the bottom. And talking about the camera is a highlight feature. In the rear side you are getting a 13 plus 2 megapixel camera with LED flash. In the front it has a 16 megapixel camera. It comes with all the settings and menu which you will see in the Honor flagship smartphone. So definitely Honor is always known for its design and cameras. In this smartphone, Honor has given all the features. Here you can see the modes what are coming. It comes with the photo mode, pro mode, video mode, pro video mode. There is a AR lens, HDR, night mode, panorama, light painting, and also you can scan your data. There is also a grid shot. You can put down the audio, you can check it out, you can capture the smileys. There are some features what you are getting in the smartphone which is definitely you get in the flagship smartphones of Honor. Now talking about the picture quality or video quality, here you can see from the rear camera you can capture full HD video, and from the rear camera, talking about the camera click shot, you can click up to 13 megapixel. Definitely you can change that, and here you can see you have other options to tone down your video or photos according to your need or the storage. But definitely you are getting a 256 GB expandable storage, which is also a great part. Now talking about the front camera, here you can see in front camera you can only shoot HD videos. There is no full HD or little lower. You can't change those resolution. Now talking about the front camera, we can also go and check it out the camera settings, how you can click the picture where what is the resolution you're getting. So that is also fixed. It is fixed to 16 megapixel, which is the maximum resolution you can go through. Now other than that, it has a wide aperture mode, it has a portrait mode, some of the features which definitely highlights the smartphone as a camera smartphone in the segment of 11,999. Now talking about the some of the pictures what we have taken, here you can see the reflection, the detailing of the picture. This was taken as a HDR mode, and this was taken the low light condition, so you can see definitely the images are crisp, vibrant, and this is the lowest dark night shot. This all shots are taken in the Delhi, and you can see this is the wide aperture mode where we have tried and taken. This is something what you have seen. The colors are very saturated in each and every photo. The detailing is pretty much crisp and accurate. Definitely there is no over toning or over saturation in the picture. The food mode is also something good and definitely delightful while you are checking it out. Now talking about the face unlock, I'm showing you the registration of face unlock is very easy, and it gives you an added feature of the security. It can't be opened with the closed eye. Your eyes should be opened while using it. It takes only few seconds to just open your device, less than a second I guess. And now talking about the SIM, it comes with the dual 4G SIM support, which is a great thing. Both are the nano SIM support. This is all about Honor 9N. This is at the rate iOldmo signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and if you have any question or doubt, just comment us in the below section and we will try to reply you as soon as possible.